Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you one great story which is on attitude, and please watch this video till end and understand this story. It will very helpful for you to improve your fluency and reading skills also, and this story is very insightful. So I want to request with you, please watch this video till end. There was a man who made his living selling balloons at a fair. He had balloons of many different colors, including red, yellow, blue, and green. Whenever business was slow, he would release a helium filled balloon into the air. When the children saw the balloons go up, they all wanted one. They would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sales would go up. All day he continued to release balloons whenever sales were slow. One day the balloon man felt someone tugging at his jacket. Tugging means pulling, someone pulling his jacket. So one cloth is pulling behind someone person, so his, we say tugging. He turned around and little boy asked, if you release a black balloon, will that also fly? Moved by the boy's concern, the man replied gently, son, it is not the color of balloon, it is what's inside that make it go up. It's very interesting line, my dear learner. Son, it is not color of the balloon, it is what's inside that makes it go up. Here we are reading about moral of story. The same principle applies to our lives. It's what's inside that counts, and what's inside of us that makes us go up is our attitude. William James of Harvard University said, the greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitude of mind. It means, this is very important, the human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitude of mind. Most of us have heard of the power of positive thinking, but very few have heard of the power of negative thinking. They both are very powerful but take us in totally opposite direction. Just the way positive thinking empowers people to achieve new heights, negative thinking propels people towards self destruction. My dear learner, please focus on this line. This line is very important, and this line is the moral of this story. Just the way of positive thinking empowers people to achieve the new height. Negative thinking peoples propel towards self destruction. This is the moral of story. So my dear learner, this is the moral of story. So we have keep positive attitude. Thank you. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel and share this video, and thank you.